Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel Visual Hairstylist. I hope you all are fine and good with your family. So if you visit my channel for the very first time, I want to tell you that this channel is created for those people who have a craze of hair fashion. So if you also have a craze of hair fashion and you are very conscious about your good hairstyle, then you come on a right platform. In this platform, you can get latest and trendy haircuts, bouncy hair dye color ideas, and latest haircuts for women's and men's both, as well as also you can get girls hair accessories ideas and hair growth remedies. So please keep in touch with us and don't forget to like and share my videos and keep subscribe my channel and press bell icon. In this way you can get new and latest notification from my side timely. So guys, let's come to the main point. In this video I am sharing with you a beautiful hairstyle that, yes, I am talking about a Fulani braids. That is one of the latest hairstyle which is very trendy in the winter season for 2023. So if you like this hairstyle, you can just take the idea from my video and enjoy this new hairstyle with Fulani braids. So I am telling you that what is a Fulani braids. So if you don't know, I am telling you that basically it's symbolizing not just its African roots. Fulani braids can also represent social status, wealth, religion, or material status. So all you'd have is say adding that braids have always been part of our culture. So this is there is some history of Fulani braids. So if you don't know about Fulani braids, you can just hear this. So, Fulani braids made popular by the Fulani people of Africa is a style that usually incorporates the following elements: a cornrow braid down the center of the head, or a few corners braids is the opposite direction toward your face, just near the template. So, a braid wrap around the hairline, and often these braids originated from the Fulani people of Africa. This style incorporates a mixture of cornrow and box braids. So in short, Fulani braids are a unique and creative protective style. So as you know about that, braid hairstyle is very trendy in 2022 and it's become more popular in 2023. And the people who are belong from Africa, so these girls are very liked to and very familiar with this beautiful braid hairstyle. So this is a Fulani braid hairstyle which is most trendy most popular in 2023. So in this video you can watch hair with different hairstyle with these Fulani braids. Actually African women will enjoy with this beautiful hairstyle. So the traditional Fulani style was long hair being put into 5 long braids that either hang or are looped on the sides with a coffer in the middle of the head, with the hair decorated with beads, cowrie shells. Sometimes they adorn their braids with silver bronze sticks, so often passed down from generations. So it's a many parts and many types of these braids hairstyle. Here I am sharing with you a Fulani braid hairstyle. So as you can see in my video, I hope in the 3 or 4 minutes you will find your choice here. So if you like this hairstyle, you can just take the idea from my video and you can also enjoy with this beautiful braid hairstyle. Look at this picture. In this picture the hairstyle is very attractive and it's become more adorable. Look at this beautiful hairstyle, and it's look like that it's too difficult to make, but it's very easy to make. So you can just try at your home. Seems be difficulty you face, but braids are staple protective style for black women. They are convenient, low maintenance, and come in an endless variety of styles like Fulani braids. So while the style has been around for centuries, they are still hugely popular for all the fun and imaginative ways you can wear them. Think bright colors, unique patterns, so and a mixture of accessories in all different shapes and sizes. So this is one of the best hairstyle you are watching here. If you like my video, please thumbs up for this video